Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to send automatic messages or replies on Instagram. So for that, we have to go on our Instagram app. Here I am on my profile. Then we will have to switch from a personal account to a professional or business account. So for that, we have to click on this three lines in the right corner from the top of the page next to the plus icon. Then go to settings and then click on account. And if you scroll down at the bottom, you will see switch account type. So you will have to click on that. And then here you have to click on switch to business or professional account. So I already switched to a professional account and this is what it looks like. So again, we have to click on these three lines in the top of the page in the right corner. And then you have to click on settings. So now we will write our message. We have to go to creator, the third option. And here you have to click on the fourth option, saved replies. So here you have to click on this plus in the right corner from top of the page or to the new saved reply. So here we have to write our message. And let's say hello. Thank you so much for reaching out. We will get back to you really soon. So this is just an example. You can type whatever you want. You can even add emojis, everything. And if you add here a shortcut, let's say hi, if you type this, then the message will appear. So I will delete that because I don't want a shortcut. And you have to click on done, then to this icon in the right corner from the top of the page. Oh, I think that the shortcut it's necessary. So write that and let's click done. And this is our reply now. So if someone will reach out to us, this message will pop up. So that's it guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, you can smash that like button and you can also subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.